Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Bushcraft and Survival. Please enjoy our channel. If you would, we'd appreciate it if you join our Patreon page. It's been a long road. Thank you. Okay, Marife's gonna show us her hand drill technique. She was kind of laughing at me when I was doing it, so we'll see what she's got. You got to hold the board down. Yeah, I know. Just spin it till you get a fire. That was 10 seconds.
Push it down.
Pull down and twist as hard as you can, yeah. Use your whole hand back and forth. Smoking yet? Oh, look close.
Wait, that.
Alright, feel the inside of the hole. Inside of the hole. Feel the inside of the hole with your finger. Hot? Okay.
Right here, it's hot, but...
Well, you gotta go fast enough and enough to get it up to 500 degrees, then it'll start on fire. There, that's the speed right there, see?
Hala. Sige.
Nice technique. As soon as you get tired, let Mom do it. As soon as you guys get smoke, we can cut a notch in it. Okay, switch. Where's the smoke at? I can smell it. They call that a team fire. I think you guys would starve in the woods. You would freeze to death.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Take care.